Today back in my Variegated Portulacaria Afra that's been slowly growing over the last couple of years, and it's doing okay. There is some basic shape to it. If you've watched any of my other recent videos, you'll know that none of my trees really grew last year, and well, this one was a bit of an exception. It did actually grow some, but I didn't do any work to it. This species is notoriously slow at growing, and it was slow this year too, but the good thing is it did actually grow. You'll see the top shoot stretched out throughout this video. I could have probably pruned it at any point throughout the year. In every clip here it's dense enough to be pruned back, but I just left it. Because it's variegated, it does take a bit slower to build up some vigour and also recover from work. So really I'm just letting it store as much energy as it can right now, but it will be pruned this spring coming. That is also why I haven't repotted in a while. It just won't have filled this small pot yet, and I would rather just leave it to build up some energy. Although I might get out the pot this year and see what we've got. By September, things will be slowing down. Not that they ever got too fast. It definitely could have been pruned here, but as things will be slowing down for winter, I'm just going to leave it until spring. I want to prune it quite hard. Well, I need to do some structural work, so I want to do that during a more active time of growth, so I can hopefully recover a bit quicker, rather than doing it now and it limping through the winter. I do like this species. Its variegation makes it look cool, but also slows it down. The full green version is so much faster, and you can develop them like 10 times quicker. But it's okay, I'm in no rush. I have the full version and can enjoy its development, and then I can just sit back and wait for these ones. It doesn't make for very interesting videos though, but over the long run it'll be worth it. As these are not that common, everyone prefers the faster green version, which is fair enough. You can really see that top shoot did well though this year. It's much longer than it was a year ago. It's slow but steady. It's not amazing, but it's slowly thickening up. And here we are now, so nothing exciting in this video, but there'll be some more happening soon. Thanks for watching, see you next time.